What is ultimately the goal here? The goal is to be able to protect our planet. So we need to be able to look at every bit of product, every bit of material, even when it does reach the end of life, as the beginning of a new life somewhere else in some other form. I think it requires creativity, imagination, and a whole lot of great science and technology. As a kid growing up in Mumbai, recycling and reusing and repurposing was just the way we grew up. We were taught that we had to value everything in life, both from financial point of view, but also at the same time, you value it because you see it as a product that can serve a purpose. So thinking circularity of products is important, but equally importantly, thinking about circularity of materials. So every product has got materials in it. How do you bring those materials back to life over and over again, whether you've reformed it into a brand new product or whether you've reformed it into the same product that it used to be? So for instance, we've got one of our micro factories in partnership with Renew IT at Lane Cove, where we're taking end-of-life electronic devices which end up on their factory floor, now get channeled into creating these plastic filaments for 3D printing. Likewise, we could be looking at creating green ceramics with our council partners, and that then means that local governments can actually take the waste that they have and produce green ceramic tiles.
So the green ceramic is made from waste glass and post-consumer textile. And normally with the waste glass, we crush it into a small granule. And then similarly with the textile as well, we have to shred it. The glass and the textile is then combined with polymer and additive. And then the mixture is then put in the hot press at certain temperature and certain pressure to make a solid green ceramic product.
As the community is growing, so as our demand, and at the end of the day, we produce a lot of electronic waste. There's a lot of products embedded in one frame. Sometimes it is metallic, sometimes it is non-metallics. And then you have to think about how you can strategically and efficiently recollect all those materials from the electronic waste and make something new.
The fact that we can be in this fabulous place that we call UNSW right here in Sydney gives us the opportunity to be at the heart of innovation, to be at the heart of impact creation. We need to be imagining a future where every bit of material can go back into the supply chain so it can be remanufactured into a new product.